FL Studio is a highly versatile and feature-rich digital audio workstation (DAW) that has become a favorite among music producers, composers, and sound designers worldwide. One of its standout qualities is its intuitive and visually appealing interface, which makes navigating the software and building complex projects straightforward even for beginners. The software includes a vast array of tools, such as synthesizers, samplers, and effects plugins, giving users all they need to create professional-quality music in any genre. The piano roll, widely regarded as one of the best in the industry, provides exceptional control and precision when composing melodies, harmonies, or drum patterns. FL Studio's flexibility allows users to choose between pattern-based or linear workflows, catering to different styles of music production. Another significant advantage of FL Studio is its lifetime free updates, a rare and valuable feature that ensures users can access new tools and enhancements without extra costs. The software's strong automation capabilities enable intricate sound manipulation, while the mixer and routing options provide professional-grade control over audio processing. Whether you are working on electronic music, hip-hop, orchestral arrangements, or soundtracks, FL Studio offers the versatility and tools to bring your creative visions to life. While it has a steep learning curve for mastering its advanced features, the extensive library of tutorials, active community forums, and third-party resources make it easier to get up to speed. Overall, FL Studio is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to dive into the world of music production or elevate their existing skills to the next level. Its blend of power, flexibility, and accessibility makes it a staple in the toolkit of countless creators worldwide.